tough terrain, guys, so we need to help each other. And these roads are not meant for, maybe I should say, my bike is not meant for off-roading because it's a cruiser bike. But still, they say, right, bike, whatever the bike is, person who rides, that matters, the experience matters. We are 1.5 hours behind our schedule. There is coffee plantations alongside the road. And this part of Karnataka, right? So be it like Sakaleshpura, Coorg is the heart of the coffee. However, this weather in this region is actually good for coffee. So the terrain as well as the weather, that makes it very optimal for coffee. The person ahead of me is also on his G310 BMW. Very nice guy, soft spoken. A drone pilot. As if we have not seen enough off-roading. The roads are under construction here, so this is going to be a bit of a challenge in the ghats where there are a lot of curves. You know, when you ride in this road, then you have to put 30 or 40% extra energy. You have to be always on the go. You cannot relax. So I'm just telling this because we need to drive throughout the day today, right? So the energy that we save matters a lot in our end miles, in our slog miles, if I can say like that. Like I should just keep driving and road should never end. Bisile Ghat is around 7 kilometers, I think, from here. 6 to 7 kilometers. I sometimes wonder about people living here, right? So, of course, we all feel like, we should have a house here as well, and then we should live peacefully amidst the nature. But as they say, grass is always greener on the other side, and you never know, right? What are the challenges that they are facing? Amazing ghats, amazing scenery here. Surreal. No one on the road. Sounds as if the entire road belongs to us for the day. Some cars here. Looks like there is some kind of a viewpoint or something, maybe we can expect. I'm not sure though. Just looking at the cars, I'm just doing my assumption. Bisile Ghat was like surreal experience. Beauty of Western Ghats, and worth spending some time over here. I'm really happy that we were able to make it this morning. Heading back to the resort now. I'm feeling very hungry. So yeah, so breakfast is ready there already. We just have to go and grab it. I'm also thinking of getting a Bluetooth intercom to my helmet. So guys, if you have any suggestion for me, please put it in your comments. Now it will take another hour to go back to the resort. The road, so nice to be here. I can ride like this forever. By the way, camera adds to the weight of the helmet. So my recommendation would be use it just for an hour during the ride and then take it off. Even if you have extra batteries, extra memory, not worth taking all that efforts and adding extra weight to your neck. In the long run, you need your neck to be very, very strong.
Goes to Arabian Sea.
Oh, okay, yeah. This is interesting. I really wanted to see this spot. So, as you can see, when it rains, the water from the right side goes to Bay of Bengal and left side goes to Arabian Sea. This is interesting. Yeah. It just and yeah. So this is like a peak, extreme peak. It's called ridge.